In this video tutorial, we will be learning how we can fix the Wi-Fi connection problems on our Windows 11. So for that, we need to enable first the WLAN autoconfig service. And to do that, we need to open the run window. So simply make a press in the Windows R key altogether, and then you will be opening the run dialog. Here, we need to type services.msc, and then you will be opening now the services window. And once the services window is already open, we need to look for WLAN autoconfig. So select one service here and then go to your keyboard, press W, and you will be brought to the WLAN autoconfig option. So please scroll down and look for WLAN autoconfig. Now once you found it, all you need to do is just to make a right click on this one, and then we need to click on this properties option here. So once the properties option or window is already open, all you need to do is just to select the startup type and set it to automatic. Now, if you haven't done that, then please make a click on this drop down button, select the automatic option. Now, once you're done with this one, all you need to do is just to stop and restart the service. So to do that, just please make a click on this stop button. And then once it's already stopped, just please click on start, and then it will say here running. Now once you're done with this one, just please click on apply and then click on OK. And all you need to do is just to close this window. And here we need to reset the WinSock and TCP or IP stack. So to do that, we need to open the command prompt window as administrator. So please make a click here in the Windows search tab, type CMD, and you will get under best match the command prompt option. So please make a click on this run as administrator option, and then you will be getting this user account control window coming up. Just proceed with clicking on yes to get this black window here, and all you need to do is just to type here the following commands that I will show you. The first is netsh winsock reset. So we will be typing that netsh space winsock space reset. And then once you're done typing this one, just please click on enter. Now we need to type again netsh int. So I'll be typing it. Just type it the way I am typing it. netsh space int space ip space reset log dot txt. Once done typing this one, just please click on enter again. And here you are asked to restart your computer. So please make a quick restart with your computer. And after doing this one, just update the network adapter driver. So to do that, we will be opening first our device manager. Please make a right click here in the Windows icon and then select the device manager option. Now, once you're in the device manager window, all you need to do is just to expand the network adapter. So look for the network adapter options first. And once you have already found it, please make a double tap on that to expand. And we need to select here the wireless option or the Wi-Fi adapter that you're using. So please make a right click on that and then select the update driver option. Now, if you're connected with an internet connection, you can go with the first option, which is the search automatically for drivers. And once you click on this one and it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then just click on this back arrow key here to return to the previous page. And if you're not connected with the internet access or internet connection, then just select the second option, browse my computer for drivers, and select this, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you will be shown with compatible hardware drivers that you have in your device. All you need to do is just to make a right click on that. Just make a click on that and then select this next option. Now, if you have already selected the latest option and yet you're still facing some issues, then you can roll back and select the older version or the later version of the driver, and then click on this next button here, and it will be installing, or it will say installing driver. Now wait for the notification that says that the Windows has successfully updated your driver. Now once you're done with this one, all you need to do is just to click on or close this window, and after updating, just make a quick restart with your device and the changes will be applied. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.